Ni ahuri biacara tauni-ini ya Mwingi na aria kuma mweri muhituku makoretwo manyitirire marana ngundi thutha wa kuheo notithi ya umomori wa manyumba mao na maria ni mamuigana wa ciringi milioni 500 ni ruhonge rwa waki wa barabara nene guku bururi-ini KeNHA na niguo kuhotithia ruhonge ruru gwaka barabara nene ya guthie Garissa thiini wa tauni ino. No muthenya wa ira aikari aya ni marahumukire thutha wa kugia na ngirimiti ya kwamba kurugamia umomori uyu. Matongoretio ni Lucas Mwaniki na uria ni umwe wa aria nyumba ciao cirari na ruoro rwa kumomorwo. Ahuri biacara aya ni mataririe gikeno kiao guku magicokeria KeNHA ngatho o hamwe na mubunge wao Ndagitari Gideon Muriungi ni kumathikiriria kuona mararorete kuona hathara nene kumana na umomori uyu na uria ungiracungiriria ukia na wagi wa mawira.
To us it was like economic sabotage. And they even wanted to go on the rubbish. They wanted to conduct demonstrations, but I told them I would deal with the matter.
Ona kuri uguo ahuri biacara aya ni moritie KeNHA gwaka barabara iria iratanyitwo gwakwo gatagati ga tauni ino nja ya tauni ino kuona tauni ino ina namba nene ya manyumba na kumomora manyumba maya ni gugucungiriria hathara nene. Mwena-ini wake munini wa murugamiriri munene wa KeNHA Engineer David Mugweru augite ruhonge ruru ni rugwaka tucira twa maguru tauni-ini ino guku akiranira kugia na miario ya hamwe na aikari aya hindi ya gukinyaniria itua riri.
We have also agreed that as KeNHA we are going to look for an alternative routes around Mwingi town as a bypass in the long term, so that we reduce the congestion that is in Mwingi town. And we have also agreed that because we are going to look for a budget to provide service roads in Mwingi town, the people should move their temporary kiosks so that we can get spaces for.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, jitagwo Ngure wa Kang'ara.